Okay, so very quickly, we're going to go over the regulations of urine and urine concentration and volume. So basically, in the osmolarity part, you have osmolarity of basically 300 osmolar per liter, and that's isotonic. But if you have it greater than 300, that's hypertonic. So your urine with lots of solute in it is actually hypertonic. And you also have concurrent mechanism that'll help you with the concentration of your urine. And this is the vasa recta. So in the vasa recta, it's a countercurrent exchange. It parallels what happens in the loop of Henle, and it prevents the rapid removal of salts from the interstitial fluid. So in the loop of Henle, you have osmotic gradients in the renal medulla, and you have sodium chloride reabsorption in the ascending. We already went over this. If you can't remember, go over to the other video. And you also have the collecting ducts, which is permeable to urea. This makes up 50% of your osmolarity. So formation of concentrated urine happens when you have a lot of ADH, which opens up the aquaporin tubes. That's a passive transport, and that means you're going to have lots of water reabsorbed, so your urine is more concentrated. So how this works is that ADH is released from the posterior pituitary gland. It acts on the CAMP second messengers in the principal cells, which then opens up the aquaporin tubes in the apical membrane, distal tubules, DCT, and you have an increase in H2O reabsorption. Okay, so in the cortical region, you have like 100, and when you like move down to the medulla, you have like 1,200 osmolarities. But there's also diuretics that control your volume of urine. They are chemicals that increases urine production. If you don't know, alcohol is one of them. It reduces the ADH, so you have like lots more urine and more diluted. Caffeine is also one of them. Surprise. Two of the most common things that college people partake in. And that stops your sodium reabsorption. So thus you have more water going out with the salt. So basically, if you drink lots of caffeine, you are probably going to be like hungering for a pretzel because like you're losing all that salt and you need it back. Okay. So that's it. We'll go over another. Oh wait, we'll go over the characteristics of your urine. So basically, it could be clear pale yellow to deep yellow. You have a pH of 6. You have a specific gravity of 1.01 to 1.035. You have 95% of it is water, 5% is solute. It's urea, creatinine, uric acid, electrolyte, nitrogens. Yeah, you pee out about 0.5 to 2.5 liters per day. So that's, the funness of the regulations of urine and its characteristics.